So I have my Teams app up and running. So what I want to do is share a file with my students, like a Word document or a PDF of some kind, or maybe a PowerPoint. If I click on Show Conversation, it will give me these options down here. Send text messages, and also gives me these options here. And here is an attachment. So you can upload from your OneDrive or from your computer. Click from and there goes the handout, and hit send. So it's sending it now. And you might also want to try the OneDrive. Let's see. Here we go. So this is still sending, but students should have access to this pretty well. They can download it. So that's how you can send files in Teams.